कुछ कुछ होता है and
No way.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is FineMD and I'm a UI UX designer in Toronto, and today is an episode 2 of the free UI UX design course that I'm giving away on my YouTube channel. So if you have not, please subscribe and do not forget to like this video. So what are we going to talk about today? A discovery stage is the most important part before even getting into the design. It is where you have a meeting with your client, boss, or stakeholders. Therefore, I'm going to skip all the BS and tell you exactly what you need to do for this stage. You need to identify the company goal, create user profiles, at least 2 or 3. 2 would be great. What is the problem? Therefore, if you're doing a redesign website, why are you redesigning the site? And most importantly, if you are doing the UI design, user interface design, do not forget about the brand guidelines. If the company do not have brand guidelines, I suggest you create one or have them hire someone for it. For this course, I'm going to use my friend's website. It's called livebohoway.com. The link for that is in description below. And she needs a big website redesign because the website sucks. And she's right here with me.
Hi guys, my name is Samriddhi. I'm from Toronto and I recently started my business. It's called Live Boho Way. The business is really small now. I sell yoga accessories and meditation products like cork yoga mats, yoga blocks and stuff. The products are natural and eco-friendly. The website is not really great and that's why I'm here today.
Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Did you know that I recently hit 1K subscribers?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
All right, Sam. So for your website, livebohoway.com, the link is in description below. What is your company goal for the next 2 years?
Currently, I'm selling on a lot of online marketplaces like Etsy, Kijiji, and stuff like that. But my aim is to sell through my website.
Okay.
I want the website to be user friendly.
Okay.
I want a lot of customers to come on my website and stay on the website.
Okay.
And generate, like, I want to generate a lot of revenue from the website.
Okay.
And that's why I want it to look professional.
Okay. So your website right now is in Shopify?
Yes, it's in Shopify.
Yeah.
And I made it myself with like basic knowledge.
Okay.
And I don't have the knowledge or the time to do it.
All right.
So yeah.
Like, you don't know how to code it.
Exactly.
Yeah. You don't know how to use XD, Photoshop, or anything like that.
Exactly.
Okay. And you also need branding as well, right?
100%.
Yeah, which is what I'm doing. Okay.
He designed the logo for me. The idea was mine.
Whoa. Whoa, okay, hey.
Okay.
Cut over here, please. She just took credit. Okay, so I'm doing the logo for you, like the whole branding, right? Not just the logo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a little bit of a sidetrack. I am going to create an extra video to talk about branding because a lot of people think that branding is just creating a logo. It's not that, it's more than that. You need to create literally a PDF document of the type of font. You can use colors, logos, images, how it's going to look in social media platforms and all those kind of good stuff. So that'll be in a bonus video. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, click on that bell notification icon.
So this is my website, Live Boho Way. I don't like a lot of stuff over here. It's a template and the worst part is I cannot change it. I'm gonna change the logo. There should be like a message here which says like a coupon code or whatever the recent deal is, today's deal. So it's like just an image over here, but I don't like it. I want a message to go with it.
With the call to action, I guess.
Exactly.
So they can click on that.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I can't do that with this template. I don't like the white parts over here, like too much space.
And this is made in Shopify?
Made in Shopify and it's a free theme. So this featured collection, it's just alright, but there's no call to action. If you go to B Yoga's website,
Is this one of your competitor website?
Exactly, yeah. I really like how when you hover over it, it changes the image and there's like a quick view thing, which is like a call to action. So that's really great.
So this is a footer here?
Yeah. Add footer, I can only add Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. I cannot add Twitter and other things. It's just 3.
Okay.
So that's like really bad. Overall, the website is not professional. Looks like a beginner has done it. So I want it to be more user friendly and as professional as possible. Yeah.
So now that we got all that information, we are going to create 2 user profiles, and it's very important to identify these users. so you can actually focus on creating for the target audience that your client, boss, or stakeholder wants. So in this situation, let's worry about the client, and you can use the same concept anywhere. Okay, Sam, so we're going to create 2 user profiles. They are going to be your target audience. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions about these users. It's very, very easy. It's like their name, occupation, things like that, and we will answer together.
Okay.
I will help you with that.
Okay.
The more detail we get with this user profile, the better it'll be to redesign your website. All right, so I sent you an email of questions for user profiles. So check that out and answer it, and I will definitely help you with it. So let's start with number 1, name.
Say the name is Jenna.
Okay.
Female, 28 years old, graphic designer. Salary say 60K. Recently engaged. Lives in downtown Toronto with her fiance.
So 0 kids?
0 kids.
Okay.
Yeah. Likes to do shopping. Her favorite brands say Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, Sephora, goes to Sephora a lot, H&M, Dynamite, and random stores. Say she likes healthy life choices.
For food?
For food, like healthy food.
Yeah. Fitness?
Yeah, like 4 to 5 times a week she goes to gym, but along with it she also likes to do yoga and meditation. Say meditation at home, goes to hot yoga classes. And
for her hobbies,
say reading, hiking, biking, swimming, whatever keeps her healthy.
All right, cool. And okay, so this is great information. So let's just repeat this once again if you guys have missed it. So her name is Jenna, obviously female, 28 years of age, a graphic designer making 60K a year, recently engaged, living with her fiance in downtown Toronto. She enjoys weekly shopping at her favorite stores. In terms of food, she's pretty healthy. She's highly into fitness because she goes to the gym 4 to 5 times, and on her rest days, I believe she does meditation at home. In terms of hobbies, she loves reading, tennis, biking, hiking, and all that good stuff. Let's start with the male this time. So let's give him name, say Bob.
Okay, say Bob.
Okay.
Married.
Okay.
45 years age. It's like senior project manager. Salary 180K ish.
Okay.
Say 2 kids.
Okay.
Lives in downtown Toronto.
Shopping.
Shopping, like whenever there are deals.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Let's just say he's into like tech.
Tech stuff.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Food wise.
Healthy and
Pretty
healthy,
healthy? Yeah.
Both. Maybe a mix of both.
Like a father.
Like a father,
Yeah.
Fitness wise, say he cannot go to gym because of health issues, so does yoga. Like
to
normal
doctor.
yoga. Yeah.
Yeah, doctor recommended.
Like normal yoga stuff, like yin stuff and that kind of.
So he goes to like a class.
Like class,
Like once a week or something.
Yeah, once or twice a week. Yeah. And
Hobbies.
say writing, gardening and stuff.
Outdoor home work.
Outdoor, yeah.
Fishing. Okay, cool. All right, so let me repeat this if you guys have missed it. So his name is Bob, male, 45 years of age, a senior project manager, lives in downtown Toronto, married, has 2 kids, only shops when there is a good deal in terms of clothing, and highly into tech, so cell phones and tablets, computer stuff. In terms of food, he's healthy but like a father, so he'll probably eat burgers and steaks and things like that. In terms of fitness, he goes once a week to yoga class for what? Yin
yoga.
Okay.
It's like normal yoga.
All right, whatever that is. And the only reason why he does that is due to health issue recommended by doctor. And in terms of hobby, he loves to do outdoor home work like gardening, things like that. He's also a mentor on weekends or vacations. He goes fishing, writing, and he loves his kids. Okay, so right now I'm going to ask you a very important question, and that's technically a cheat code. This is pretty much going to be all the answers to your problem, and that is, how do you imagine your website to look like? In this scenario, the client will most likely show you their competitor's website and pretty much tell you exactly what they like and don't like. You take bits of pieces from that and apply it to their website. Very important thing is, do not copy everything the competitors have done. Make sure you also do your own user research on the site and apply that together. I'm sure a lot of famous websites, brands that you love, you'll see that they do copy their competitors in certain things such as header, footer, navigation, how the page interacts and all that things. So we're going to take this step, ask Samriddhi the same questions as how do you imagine your website to look like, and are there any competitors' website that you have fallen in love with and you like? If so, please show it to me and I'm gonna take my notes.
So this is the first website called as beyoganow.com that I really like. The home page is like clean. You can actually know looking at the home page that it's a yoga and meditation website.
Because of this header image right here.
Exactly, yeah.
And the call to actions over here, which is called the buttons, they're very big.
Very big, yes.
Top navigation is very clean and easy to navigate.
The products are very properly displayed, and these are their most selling products, so which are
most clicked.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And I really like how the Instagram feed is at the bottom, so you know like from where the customers are buying it,
who's using it.
Exactly.
And people are actually buying this product.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this website actually has a community. That's amazing. And then the footer, you have the newsletter. Okay, cool. Now let's go to the product page.
I really like how this page is very clean. A product displayed and the information on the right side. It also has review stuff which is on the right side. Very detailed. It also shows the other products which you can buy with the mat.
Okay.
Like the essential stuff.
So this is a product detail page, and
exactly.
It talks about the product from top to bottom, how to use it, and the material and all that stuff.
Yeah.
At the bottom, it's like you may also like, which is very important. So this actually helps the user not to leave the website because there are more options. So they can click on either one of these products and pretty much keep going forward and forward until they decide to buy one. And also it's in a nice white background and it's properly aligned as well, so it's very, very clean. Just so you guys know, I will have the link to the competitor website in the description below, so you guys can actually check out the website and navigate the entire UX flow.
So the second website that I really like is called huggermugger.com. Best part about them is they have this 20% off coupon code like right at the top, so everyone can see it. Very nicely detailed stuff like yoga mats, boosters, props, and meditation stuff, giving back to the society. So you actually like, you don't have to go over everything, just click on what you really want.
Okay.
They also have guides like the mat guide or the prop guide, so that's really cool. Here, not all websites have that.
So for this website, the only thing that you like is their homepage and the way they have displayed their products
homepage.
on the homepage.
Yeah, they also have their Instagram stuff here.
Okay.
And from the blogs, whatever, like stuff like that.
Very content-heavy website, so it's very search engine friendly.
Yeah.
Discovery stage for me takes not more than an hour, to be honest, because I've been doing it for more than 10 years. Depending on the client that I interact with, it could take a little bit longer because sometimes they get uncomfortable with these questions or they might not know, so I try to be as comfortable as possible when I work with them. It's very important to apply this step before you get into UI design, wireframing, sitemap, card sorting. This stage here will definitely help you discover the project more effectively. So therefore, please practice this stage with your friend's website, your colleague's website, even for your own project. The more you do it, the better you will be. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like this video. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Episode 3 will happen on next Sunday. And yeah, so if you guys want to follow me on social media channels, the links of that is in description below. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace out. And welcome to my channel. Do I have my makeup on? I actually hired. I spent $10,000 in this video.
Right here.
Yeah. Can I get less of this, please, and a little bit more of that?
Lipstick.
Okay. Okay. And here, 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 and here. Okay.
Don't put that in class.
Oh God. Oh, I'm doing videos alone from now on.
100%.
I'm doing videos from now on. Yeah. Can someone redo her makeup, please?
Hey.
Can someone redo her makeup? Who did this? Who did?
Did you check it?
Yeah.
Oh.
In the frame or not? What are you, Kareena Kapoor? Get out of here.